Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your social media marketing consultant business. Manually handling all the bookings and sharing tips can slow down your process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create WhatsApp chatbot which will handle all the bookings and share tips all automatically through WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for social media marketing consultant business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send the message first. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Hey there, welcome to Social Spark Media Consulting. I help brands grow through smart social strategies. How can I assist you today?" And here it has given us three options. I'm going to choose the first one that says book consultation. And it responds me with, "Let's book your social media consultation. Please reply with your business name." So here I'm going to send a dummy business name. For example, XYZ Business. And it responds me with, "Let's book your social media consultation. Please reply with preferred date and time." So here I'm going to send a dummy response again, like this. And it responds me with, "We have received your details as XYZ Business, date and time. I will confirm your slot." So we are going to move ahead with the second option that says strategy tips. Here a quick social media tip: use Instagram Reels 3 times a week with trending audio to double your reach. For more such tips, contact us. So here I'm going to click on the contact us option, and it provides me with the contact details of their consultancy. A support agent will assist you shortly, or call us directly on this given number. Support hours Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for social media marketing consultancy business. If you want to create the same, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website, and to do that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it to Social Media Marketing Consultancy Business. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. Here we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which helps us by activating the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template. When we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done creating the basic setup, we can create our first message with the help of the text button. So here I have added this message. I am going to add little star signs because it will make our message appear bold on WhatsApp and it will make it more presentable. Here with the help of this add flow button, I am going to add some quick reply options such as once we are done with our basic setup, we have to create a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with book consultation. And for that, I'm going to access the action type node. Then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I'm going to ask the details. Let's book your social media consultation. Please reply with business name. Then there is an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, you need to create it first. To know how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. Here I'm going to select contact custom field as name because we are asking for the business name, and as format I'm going to select text. Here it has provided us number of attempts. You can give as many as number of attempts as you want. And I'm going to leave the validation message empty and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Next we are going to access another question box and then I'm going to ask preferred date and time. Then I'm going to connect it to the question box again and then I'm going to select contact custom field as time and as format I'm going to select any. Lastly, with the help of text button, I'm going to send a confirmation message of the book. Here I have added this confirmation message and it will look like this. We have received your details as $name. Name was our contact custom field and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user. Similarly, time was a contact custom field and $will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date and time sent by the user. I'll confirm your slot. Once we are done with our first response, we will start curating response for our second quick reply option, that is strategy tips. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again and here I'm going to add. Here I have added this message which will look like this, and lastly I have added for more such tips, contact us. So here I'm going to add an option to contact us and then I'm going to share my contact details with the help of text button. So here I'm going to add a support agent will assist you or call us directly on this given number. Support hours Monday to Saturday 9 AM. Lastly, I'm also going to link this quick reply option with the message box where we have shared our contact details. So this is how we have created a WhatsApp chatbot for social media marketing consultant business. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features. If you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done creating your flow, you can save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.